Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can redeem codes on Roblox mobile, on iOS as well as Android. So for this we actually need to load up any browser, so I'm going to use Opera for this. And then Google search for redeem Roblox code, like so, redeem Roblox code. Okay, so then we need to scroll down until we see this website, roblox.com. That's the official Roblox website, and it should say redeem. So just click on here and it will ask you to log in with your account. As you can see, I'm already logged in into my account, so I'm just going to go back, and this is what it looks like. This is the redeem feature. So here's where you type your code, your redeem code, and then you have to type or mark this. By checking this box, you acknowledge that you are at least 18 years of age. So like I said, here's where you type your code, then you mark this, and then you press on redeem. Now obviously this is not an actual code, so it won't redeem it for me, but if you have an actual code, that's how you do it. That's how you redeem a Roblox code. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.